little goober, are you happy to be home? Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take you guys along for a little Sunday reset because Matt and I got home from our week-long trip to New York yesterday. So if you guys, oh my god, you guys, I almost just completely spilled this cup of tea. We're doing really well so far this morning. If you guys watch the channel, you saw the last video was our week in New York City. I admittedly didn't get as much footage as I wanted. I'm learning how to get back into being super consistent on my YouTube channel and creating content when in the company of family. I was telling my dad when I was in New York, I feel like when I was really active on YouTube a number of years ago, I feel like I over-filmed and under-asked for permission. And as a result, I feel like I ended up filming more than what my family was necessarily comfortable with. And that's not to say that I had any conflicts or issues with my family. I just remember a few different times, different people in my family or even my friend group being like, "Ooh, hey, can I see that video clip?" Or I would have loved to know that I was even in that clip. And so I'm being so much more mindful this time around in doing my YouTube channel that I am not just setting up the camera to record a little clip for B-roll, making sure that if I'm gonna do that, I'm getting everyone's permission in the room to do that. I've just become a much more mindful content creator when it comes to consent, getting other people's thumbs up that it's okay that I'm filming them rather than just kind of set up my camera and capture a tiny little clip that I'm gonna end up putting music over. Like, I think so many YouTubers, we get into the habit of just like, "Ooh, I'll just prop my camera here. I know that I'm not even gonna include the original audio from that clip," but I still think it's really important for us to get permission from the people that were around to see whether they wanna be included in the video and things like that. So that's why I didn't get a lot of footage in New York, with the exception of just me, but I'm just so happy to be home. We're settling back in. We unpacked yesterday. I'm sipping my tea. As you guys saw, I put my little eye masks on, did my ice roller on my face, updated my budget this morning, posted a TikTok, posted on my Instagram. So we're having a very productive morning. It is a little after 9. It's like 9:15 in the morning. So my plan for today is to do a few things. So I figured I would take you guys along. I want to get some cleaning done, which I already started to do in the bathroom. I want to edit the New York vlog. So I want to upload the footage onto my computer, get all that footage there, and then work on editing that video. I'm going to make this video and hopefully edit this video as well. I want to get in a workout and I want to do a little bit of meal prep. I want to make a pasta dish for Matt and I to have during the week. I want to just make like a simple pasta with broccoli and like a lemon, garlic, butter, oily kind of a sauce. So that's the plan for today. So what I'm going to start with is my YouTube footage. I'm going to get all that footage onto the computer, kind of get that organized. Then I think I'll dive into a workout, then maybe do a little cleaning. I don't know. We'll see where the day takes us, but happy Sunday. So happy you guys are here for a little Sunday reset vlog. I just finished editing the New York vlog, you guys. That was so good. It only took me like an hour-ish to edit. I'm becoming such a faster editor. That is honestly one of the biggest benefits of Vlogmas for me, was it really helped me become a much faster video editor. So now that I have this vlog edited, I'm exporting it, and I'm going to get ready and dive into a workout. my God, that workout was so good. That was amazing. I needed that. I really, really needed a good workout. I'm gonna make a protein shake, although I'm feeling a little nauseous. I've been noticing that I've been getting nauseous after my workouts. I think because I've been kind of out of the routine. It's just been making me feel so freaking nauseous afterwards. So I'm not exactly hungry, but I know that my body wants some protein. I just had a piece of leftover sushi. Matt and I love getting sushi from Wegmans because it is all gluten-free. So just had a little piece of sushi. We don't get like raw fish or anything like that. We just get like veggie rolls and stuff like that, but it's so, so good. So I just had one little piece of that and my stomach was like, no more right now, thank you very much. But I wanna get the protein shake in, so I might just make that so that it's already made. I wanna take a shower, do some more cleaning, prep this pasta. There are a ton of things else that I want to get done, but I also want to find some downtime today. I don't want to feel like I'm spending the entire day just doing stuff like go, go, go. Like I woke up, did my budget, edited my YouTube video, just finished my workout. It is noon now, so I still have like 6 hours until dinner time to just like relax, chill, get that cleaning done, and do all the things. So I'm gonna try and continue the productivity for the next 2 hours so that then for this afternoon, I can just chill. Our little plant corner is looking good, as is this guy on the bookshelf. It just makes such a difference having them be an actual planter. So that is now crossed off the list. Looking to see what else I want to do. Okay, honestly, there's no time like the present. I really need to take a full shower and everything, but before I do that, you guys, I'm gonna start this meal prep so that I can get this pasta made for Matt and I, and then I feel like I'm like actually able to fully relax for the rest of the day. And garlic all cooked. I have lemon juice here and melted butter, and the pasta is cooking, and I just set aside some pasta water because that is Matt's like secret tip that, and I mean, it's not really a secret. It's like if you're a good cook, you probably know this, but that's been the biggest game changer in my opinion of all the pasta dishes that Matt and I have made lately is Matt takes pasta water and adds it to the pasta for the sauce. It's so good. Also, you guys, I'm obsessed with my Stanley. I've been drinking so much more water ever since getting it. So that has been so huge for me because that's a major goal of mine is to be more hydrated this year. Ooh, the pasta's ready. Okay, I'm gonna finish making this pasta dish and I will show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna grab a fork for an official taste test. I am done with this pasta. I'm so happy, you guys. It's like almost 2, which is exactly what I said in the vlog. I was like, I want to make sure that I'm productive for the next 2 hours. When I checked in with you guys and it was like noon, I was like, I'm going to be productive for the next 2 hours. and I made this pasta dish. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so freaking excited right now. I might make a little video of an unboxing. I got a backpack from Base. I am so excited about this backpack, you guys. It is like, I think it's called the Ultimate like expandable backpack. And you can see here actually that suitcase and that black bag, those are both Base luggage. Matt's mom got us both the Weekender bag from Base for Christmas. We took it with us to New York. It is the best freaking Weekender bag. It is the ultimate Weekender bag. It's perfect. So, excuse you, Gouda. That's not your backpack. Off. Thank you. So I think I'm gonna make a little video for Instagram/TikTok of doing a little backpack unboxing, and then I'm gonna shower and just chill, edit this video, and have a nice Sunday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.